Check, check. 1 million, 2 million. I'll do it. This is the story of how we made a launch film for a 1 BHK in Bengaluru. But there was a big problem. The building was not built yet. No show flat, no site, nothing to shoot. And this is the situation that every builder faces. The time when you most need to sell the dream is exactly the time when there's nothing to show. So we did not shoot anything at all. We started where every builder starts, the floor plan. A real 1 BHK layout. On it, we drew one camera path. The exact route the camera will travel inside the flat, decided before making even one frame. Then we chose an anchor, this door frame. An anchor means one object that must look exactly the same in every shot. And this door frame is the heart of the story. It shows how a house slowly became a home. Then we built the flat itself. Multiple locked views of the apartment, matching the floor plan. Once a view was passed, every new shot had to match it. The same tiles, the same light, the same west-facing evening sun that a real buyer would actually get in this flat. Now this sounds simple, but it's not. You see, AI keeps inventing things and keeps forgetting things. An extra balcony that was never in the plan, a kitchen that shifted from its place, a new room that magically appeared. These mistakes are called hallucinations. The AI confidently creating things that nobody asked for. And the fix is not luck. The fix is discipline. One change at a time. Every wall checked against the plan. Every attempt written down in a register. Now, a launch film also needs a family that a buyer believes in. So we did a proper casting. Many faces were generated, but one face was selected and locked and then tested. Multiple situations, different lighting, different moods. If the same face did not survive enough tests, we rejected it and cast again. Now the daughter had one extra audition. You see, we kept her photo between her parents' photos and asked an outsider one question. Can this be their child? Now even after casting, the AI found new ways to sneak people in. Now in one test, the father was hanging a photo frame on the wall, a lovely moment. But when we zoomed in, the family inside the photo was a completely different family. The AI had somehow invented strangers inside our own photo frame. Now we changed it to a simple landscape because in this work, even the photo inside a photo has to be checked. Next up, the core story of the film is how the building stood the test of time. So we had to age the family. We made the couple 10 years old, but the AI kept on doing it. Every time there was a happy moment, their grey hair disappeared. Apparently, AI thinks that happiness means youth. Now, I'll leave you with that thought. But now, no client wants to hear that. Sorry, sir, today the software was in a mood. So the fix became a permanent step in our process. And with that, our character Bible was complete. Every face, every rule locked in one document. Next, we decorated the flat. And we did that twice. Once on the Griha Pravesh day and the same home 10 years later. Because the real aspiration is not marble or luxury. It is standing the test of time. A rug that slowly fades. A money plant that grows tall. Small things that every family will recognize from their own house. Now when the video started moving, new problems came. A mattress standing on two walls at the same time. Unknown people walking into the shot. Now each time we went back to the drawing board. We tightened the rules, we tested again until every shot passed. Now that was the story of how we built it. Here's a short snippet from the film itself.
Every building makes a promise. Very few keep it for more than a couple of years. Most projects sell you square feet. We built the years in between. A wall that remembers your child's height. A home that holds your story.